Gotta do is click that button. I can see from both sides. That shit is scary. Hell yeah. Thank you, Trinity, for recording all these shots with Standby Trinity. Our intention is not to hit anything in a parking lot. You're liable for everything.
Me?
Tabernacle, is you